6.5 months ago, a rocket launched from Earth, carrying the world's newest, most powerful deep space telescope.
The James Webb Space Telescope allows us to see deeper into space than ever before and in stunning clarity.
Let's take a look at the very first image from this miraculous telescope.
Everywhere we look with the Webb telescope, there are thousands of galaxies.
And to imagine, we used to think there was just one galaxy.
Now, the number is unlimited.
We observe literally thousands of galaxies in the background of this large image.
With Webb, we expect to see the universe in a new way. Thank you for this opportunity to deliver this incredible science to the world.
It's astounding. It's mind-blowing to think of the possibilities out there. I'm incredibly impressed. Thank you, thank you.
President, thank you.